guys, Incog here, welcome back to another video. I've made another labo, I've made two. I can't seem to find the footage. So instead, since I got it today, also I like Doctor Who. I got the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Comes with ink that can reveal hidden messages, 4 sounds, and we are going to open it. 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, warning, choking hazard. Also, my favourite part is just that logo. It's the intro from the 1960s one. That's what it does, like publish. 10th Doctor 2005 to 2010. That's the screwdriver. And now, let's check the back. First of all, in October 1996, 9th Doctor, identical to this one. And apologies, 10th Doctors. The camera keeps falling. Yep, 10th Doctors with BBC. Okay, I'm going to read this. An extension, okay, I don't care actually. Moves up and down, that sounds good. Okay, without further ado, this maybe not be a little good look at the patches. Hold on, 5+. I'm over 5. Because I'm on YouTube. I'll be back in a sec while I open it. It doesn't say October, it says Octor. Probably meant to say Doctor. Alright, got it. Alright. It's the paper backing. I want to keep that. And it's cut to say Octor. Here's yeah. Oh, there's such a piece of paper. That warning at the bottom is such a big. Okay. Hopefully it still has batteries. Oh yes. What's that button do? Ah! Okay, that one only works down. I get this. This one only works up. And this one only works down. Compact little thing. Like the ink. And I need to something to write it on. Once I get it out. Yeah, keep this packaging intact though. So I like it. Get this piece of tape out. Hold on. I'm getting it. This most boring unboxing. I haven't seen unboxing, I'm not sure what it's like. This is cool. This is what I'm going to be writing on. First thing I found, the manual. Right after a quick read of this. Okay. That's not use. Oh, I like that picture. I'm not going to write in that. That part only. Oh, these are in white, so this one isn't. How do I write? How do I write? I'll figure it out. Oh! Let's see. Gonna turn the light on. What's this supposed to do? wrote a message and I need to read that. Did I pick that UV ink? Oh, yeah, that'll take a while to open. I'm not going to test the feature. Oh, yeah. Yeah, because I opened something. I written a message for no reason. Where is it? Also, I haven't shown anything I've done. I wrote subscribe. Do it. Yeah. Or else. Yeah, so. And that's really the 10th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. I've never had one before. That's the coolest part. Moving up and down. See that one? Right, I thought something happened on the bottom. Give me a look. Yep, 4 sounds and they all are either way you press it. Doesn't matter. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.